Hello kids, welcome to Judgment TV. Let's learn the alphabet I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ice. I for iguana. I for India. I for impala. I for ink. I for iron box. I for ibis. I for island. I for ice hockey. I for ivy. I for iceberg. I for idea. I for ignite. I for instep. I for iron. I for idle. I for insect. I for ivory. I for ill. I for ibex. I for invitation. I for indoor plant. I for itch. I for identity card. I for instruction. I for inhale. I for interview. I for idle. I for illusion. I for image. I for imitate. I for immortal. I for instructor. I for intense. I for import. I for income. I for inaugurate. I for innocent. I for inside. I for indoor games. I for instruments. I for institute. I for intimate. I for interior. I for inquiry. I for injury. I for injection. I for industry. I for inflate. I for infant. I for inbig. I for icebox. I for inchworm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Justwin TV.